Did you know that over 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? That's right. And what better way to support it than with some delicious herbal teas? So, are you ready to boost your immune system naturally? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about something super important, boosting your immune system. With all the stress and germs around us, taking care of our health is more crucial than ever. Luckily, nature has gifted us with some amazing herbal teas that can help strengthen our immunity. Let's explore how these tasty brews can be your best allies in staying healthy. Now, let's get real for a second. We all know that maintaining a strong immune system can be tough, right? Especially during the cold and flu season when everyone seems to be sneezing and coughing around you. Stressful lifestyles, lack of sleep, and poor diets can really take a toll on our immune health. It's like we're all on a roller coaster ride, just trying to hang on and not catch whatever is going around. So, how do we combat these challenges? Well, that's where herbal teas come into play. They're not just warm and comforting, they can also provide a natural boost to our immune defenses. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. Here are 5 herbal teas that can help ramp up your immune system. 1. Echinacea tea. This is probably one of the most well-known immune boosters. Echinacea is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to reduce the duration of colds. Just steep a teaspoon of dried echinacea flowers in hot water for about 10 minutes. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger is not only delicious, but it also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can help ease a sore throat and fight off infections. To make ginger tea, simply slice up some fresh ginger, boil it in water, and let it steep for a bit. Add honey for a touch of sweetness. 3. Turmeric tea. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to enhance immune function and reduce inflammation. You can make a simple turmeric tea by mixing turmeric powder with hot water, adding a splash of lemon, and a bit of honey. It's like sunshine in a cup. 4. Peppermint tea. This refreshing tea can help soothe your throat and clear congestion. Plus, it has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off germs. Brew some peppermint leaves in hot water, and you'll have a refreshing drink that's great for your immune system. 5. Chamomile tea. Finally, chamomile is not just for bedtime. It has antioxidants that can boost your immune system and help you relax. Steep some chamomile flowers in hot water, and enjoy a calming cup that also supports your health. So, if I had to pick one standout tea from this list, it would definitely be ginger tea. Why? Because it not only helps boost your immune system but also fights inflammation and can help with digestion. It's like a triple threat. Plus, ginger is super versatile. You can add it to smoothies, soups, or just sip it as tea. It's a powerhouse that you definitely want in your wellness arsenal. To wrap things up, we've explored 5 amazing herbal teas that can help boost your immune system: echinacea, ginger, turmeric, peppermint, and chamomile. Each of these teas has unique benefits that can support your health, especially during those chilly months when colds are lurking around every corner. So, why not make them a part of your daily routine? Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to herbal tea for staying healthy? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you're interested in more health tips, be sure to check out my other videos on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Cheers to your health, and happy brewing, tea, herb.